Okay, welcome back to the channel here. Trying something new this time. I've done this pattern of board before, but what I haven't done is done it in this quantity, in this type of run before. So as you saw in the thumbnail of this video, I'm doing 10 brick pattern cutting boards. So I have, what is that? I think it's 2, 3, 4. I've got 6 sections of walnut, roughly 8 feet long, little over 4/4. I think it's about 5/4, almost 6/4 here. Some are 7 to 8 inches in width, and then which I'm going to use for the brick. And then I have some, I think it's hickory. I can't remember if it's hickory or ash. I'm just having a total blank moment right now, which is going to be the mortar. Looking at this, I think I may have too much, but I'd rather have too much than not enough when it comes to this. So, never having done this before, I wanted to do some simple, I don't want to say simple math, but wanted to kind of understand the scale of what I'm going to be doing here. And from what I'm seeing here, I guess let me say it this way. My brick pieces, I'm looking to have them be about 2 inches in width, and then 1 inch in thickness, and I'm going to cut those at 36 inches long. So with those dimensions in mind here, I need 35 pieces of the walnut cut to the 2 inch by 1 inch by 36, and then I actually need 5 pieces of 1 inch by 1 inch by 36 inches just for the brick patterns or the brick pieces. And then what I'll do then is cut 3/16 width pieces of the ash. I'm gonna say ash, and that's gonna be my mortar. so I just did a whole bunch of, I'll call it dimensioning here. You can see the cuts I did over my back here, and then some cuts right here as well. I have 36 2-inch by 36 to 38. I have 6 1-inch by 1-inch cuts by 36 38, and then 14 of these mortar pieces. I was gonna go 3/16, thought it looked a little skinny, so I went with 1/4 on that. The next thing I have to do is get the walnut dimension down to 1 inch thick. I think what I'll do is I'll set the table saw back up, put it to 1 inch, and then just rip through it that way. I think that's going to be the easiest, most efficient way to do this. I could do it through the planer, but again, I think the ease here of the table saw will be what's best for, at least for this choice. So we're going to get moving at here.